Hey, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can create recurring tasks in Notion. And if you don't know about me, my name is Roman, and I own Grizzly Templates Marketplace, where you can find different Notion solutions for your life and business, and also different Notion tutorials. And on this channel, I share videos on how you can create different Notion systems and also tips and tricks about Notion. So let's get started with the recurring tasks. So we need to create a simple database, and we do that by pressing slash and just type database. And for the sake of this tutorial, we can select inline database. So the main difference between inline and full page database is that inline database is created on the same page where you're at, while full page will be created on a separate page. And we just link new database, and let's call it tasks. Hide database title. So we have name here, and let's say we add a date for our task. So now how can we create recurring tasks or like any recurring like entries in the database? So we do it via templates. If you hover over this drop down, you'll see a new template. Just press it. And let's say we put date here, today. So here you can like list down whatever, let's say some to-do list, task 1, task 2, task 3. It can be like, let's say, habits or anything that you need, like inside this page. And go here, back, and we set this template as default for all views and tasks. Now, when we create new task, we can see here the date. And if we open, we will see here the contents of our page. So now how do we make it as recurring? So let's say we want to repeat it every day. Go back here, 3 dots, and you see here repeat, and it's now off. And what we can do is we can set like time frame over which we want to repeat this template. Let's say we want to repeat it daily and every day. Here we can set like every 1 day, every 2 days, every 3 days, and like time interval every day or every week or every month or every year. And here you can set like when you want this template to be created. Maybe you want to create it at a specific time. And starting from the closest is tomorrow. So it will start creating it from tomorrow every day. And also what you can do here is you can set this ending. So let's say you want a specific number of runs. So let's say 14, um, 14, 14 runs. So it means that after 14 days, this template will stop be automatically created. It can be useful, for example, if you have, let's say, pills or some medicines or like vitamins, for example, if you're talking about daily life. And well, time zones, this is default time zone. You can also set the ending at a specific date. Let's say you want to create a template every day or every week up until, let's say, end of May. For whatever reason, you can do that. So now if we just leave it as it is, this template will be automatically created every single day for up until next Friday with this setup, or let's say after 14 runs. So yeah, this is how you can create recurring tasks in Notion, recurring templates for like automating your database entries. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more Notion related content, and check out Grizzly Templates Marketplace for ready-made Notion solutions for your personal life and business.